here's the turn signal with the headlights off. Okay, so that's headlights off. Here is with the parking lights on. And here's with the headlights on. And then here's what happens when you turn the headlights off to parking lights. And then here's what happens when you turn the headlights off. The parking lights off. Headlights, that's the headlights on. Parking lights off. I think it came out really nice. It was very easy to do. All you have to do is, let me just get my phone here. Okay, so the wiring is a little bit messy, but it's not terrible. What I did is you take the ground wire, which is the black wire coming from your side marker, cut it, and then you take it from the side marker and wire it to the flashing power, or the 12-volt flashing pulse power lead that comes on with your turn signal. Obviously this one I messed up a little bit. This one was the wrong wire. For me, it was this blue wire. I used a T-tap or a Scotchlock tap and just tapped it in there, and I just taped it up just so it's protected. Very easy to do, very simple, and you get really good results. I would recommend using a wiring diagram. I just kind of winged it and didn't, because I figured, if I got one of them wrong, I did it in a spot where I could easily just splice it back together. But it came out really good, and I'm pretty happy with it. All right, thanks for watching.